create different shapes using this one. Using the polygon, we can create different shapes. So this polygon, the top bar, we have the sides is there. So here I'll start with this three sides. We'll start with this triangle. Look at this one. We created this triangle. And here select this polygon tool. Now we don't want this so we don't want this stroke. Just apply this triangle there. Now we created this triangle. If you want, you can change the color and click on this one. Next, again you can select this polygon tool. This time I'll make it to the four sides. Now I'll make a rhombus. Now for this rhombus, double click on this one. It will be selected and make it to which color you want. Just click on this, and again you can select this polygon tool. This time I'll just make it to 5 pentagon. This shape, and this time I'll just change the color. Click on this. Now again you can select this. Again you can select this polygon tool. Make it to 6. Make it to 6 shapes, hexagon. Now you can draw. Now you can draw. Now here, if you want to apply the gradient color for this shapes here, select the shape 4, go to this FX, click on this gradient overlay. So it will apply the gradient color. Now here, look at this one. You just apply this gradient color. So double click on this gradient color. So it will be selected, and here is the gradient colors, right? You can apply anything you want. Like, look at this, and click on this one. Click on this. Okay, here. Now look at this one. You just apply the gradient color for this shapes here, and similarly select this again. I'll make it to this 7 side 7. Now, so for this gradient, double click on this one. So it will be, go to this gradient, and here if you don't want to apply this multiple color, so if you want to apply your own custom colors, then select this first option. So it will apply here, and you can click on this first color spot, the black. It will ask for the color change. So here you can change the color. Here you can change the color here. Just click on this OK, and again you can click on this one. Again click on this color, second color spot. Just you can apply here. Just click on this OK. Click on this OK. Click on here. Now look at this. So we just apply the gradient color. So like this, we can also apply the gradient color for these shapes here. And have you understand these shapes, right? So how do you create these shapes here? And this about this polygon tool. Next, line tool. So line tool is nothing but the line tool. It will draw the lines there. So the top we have the width is there. Just we can take the width as 15 pixels. So as per your requirement, you can take the width there. Just you can start the line here. Start the line like this. Start the line like this. If you don't want this gradient color, just hide this eye symbol, and we have the color. Simply you can change the color, which color you want. And which color you want, you can change the color. Just click on this. Now look at it. like this. So that's about the line tool. And next, custom shape tool. Next we have the custom shape tool. I'll just remove here. Custom shape. So custom shape tool is nothing but in order to draw the custom shapes here. Custom shapes means one customization. So once we can click on this custom tools, in the top bar we have the shapes is there. So here we can select the shapes you want. Here you can select the shapes here and go to there. So here I have only this few. Now I need to more tools. Just click on this one here. Click on this side caret symbol. Click on this all. It will ask for append. Just click on this append here. Now look at this one. Look at this one. I have the shapes. I have the shapes here. Select the shape here. I can draw the shape there. Look at this one. Now we can also draw shapes. Hold the shape to just here, and we can change the color for this one. Change the color. Click on this one. Now here, if you want to draw this perfect shapes, then hold the shift button. Hold the shift. You can draw the perfect cat symbol like this. And you can also draw the different shapes there. Look at this one. Like click up. In this here we have this lot of shapes is there. Then you can change the color for this one. Now look at this. And again you can select so you can also draw leaves and change the color. Look, and also we can draw. So here we have this a lot of shapes is there. Like so using these shapes we can also create some vector shapes. Like if you take this pen tool, take this pen tool. Now click on this control enter. Just make it to new layer. And I just apply this color for this one. For this. That. Just click on this OK. Select this paint bucket tool. Just apply the color for this one. Click on this control D. Now here select this elliptical shape tool. And you can draw this elliptical there. Now in this elliptical I'll just go to this color. Click on this OK, and we can adjust this one. You can adjust this one here. Look at it. So after that, we just created this shape there. Select this custom shape tool and select this one. Hold the shift button. Uh, we can adjust here. Sorry, we can adjust the shape. Now here we just apply this gradient color. Go to this effects, apply this gradient. For the gradient, for the thick color, second this first click on this color spot one. Select this green color and make it to thick green and click on this second color spot. Select this color, make it to this one. Focus. Look at this one here. Like this, we can also create this vector shapes